Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can create account in Journal. So how does account in Journal work? So Journal app is only available in iOS and it is only available in the latest 17.2 version of it. So let's say you downloaded Journal app on your iPhone. So its account is going to be created automatically because all of its data, which means all of this journal's data, is being saved on your iCloud and iPhone. So whichever iPhone account or whichever Apple ID you're currently logged in on your phone, that is basically your Journal app's account. So let's say I want all of this to be saved so I can access it on another device. So what I need to do is go to my phone setting. From inside my phone setting, as you guys can see at the top, Jake Knowledge. That is the Apple ID which I'm currently using on my iPhone, which means this Journal app's account is linked with that Apple ID. So if I want to use it in another device, I need to log in into my Jake Apple ID on another phone or another Apple device, and I will be able to access this journal because all of this data is being stored on this ID. So that is basically how we guys can create Journal app's account. Just create an Apple ID and that's it. So I hope you understand. Hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time.